sulfate and hydroronal, the ketene disaccharides are attached to beta 1 4. But this one, keratan sulfate, is attached to beta 1. These are the structures that you have to remember. Second is heparin sulfate. Heparin sulfate का hydronic acid attached to N-alpha glucosulfate having three sulfate groups attached. एक amino group के साथ carbon atom 2, second carbon atom 3, third carbon atom 6. So in हमारे क्या था this? Okay. Now what happens? Last this one.